Language solutions. From expert language services to cultural adaptation, we're dedicated to helping businesses connect seamlessly with diverse audiences. Our professional services, translations, gain access to the potential of flawless communication by utilizing our accurate and culturally sensitive translation services. We adapt content to make it accessible across languages, including web pages and documents. Transcription, record every phrase and subtlety. Our precise transcription services transform spoken words into written text with correctness and clarity. Dubbing and voiceover, make your content come to life. Our expert dubbing and voiceover services enhance audiovisual productions and provide your audience with an engaging oral experience. Subtitling and captioning, make your content universally readable. Our captioning and subtitling services promote diversity by giving a wide range of viewers a satisfying visual experience. Our all-inclusive language solutions, customized to your requirements, close gaps and promote international relationships. Use our language skills to strengthen your message. For more, follow us at Microcode Software or visit our website microcodesoftware.com.